Hello guys, it was the network issues, so now let us continue. You see on the chalkboard you have given two functions and we have some questions which is the one is A and B. You see on the chalkboard. Now think on those two questions and we're going to do it together. So guys, let us continue. So now we have our two functions, and we have asked to join those two functions here at the sub-question A. We have f of gx, right? So now let's find the number 1a. It is f of gx, which is f of x is equal to, we have given 2x plus 4, and gx, it is 3x plus 6. Then we are going to find the combination of those two functions, where f of gx it will be. So now, before substituting those two functions, you have to see the function which is here on the value of x. You have to substitute this function where it has x. It means you have to write f of, how is the value of gx? Come here above, where we have gx is equal to 3x plus 6. You have to write here in the place of gx, you have to put 3x plus 6. It is because this value is the value of gx. Now it means here we have x. Yes? So it means we still have f of x, where x is equal to 3x plus 6. It means in our function f of x, where x is, we have to put 3x minus 6 in our f of x. Then it is here on f of x, we have 2 times x. X, remember, is equal to 3x plus 6. It is 3x plus 6. Close the bracket, plus this number 4. Now, let's multiply these two to those two factors. Then it is 6x plus 12 plus 4. Right? Now, finally, we still have, let's have this. It will be, we are going to collect similar terms. We have, it is 6x plus 12 plus 4. Then we still have 6x plus 16. This is the combination of two functions, 6x plus 16. It is f of gx is equal to 6x plus 16. Right? Also, I have to remind you, if you are new on our platform, don't go without subscribing. So now let us continue for sub-question B. Sub-question B, it is, this is B, which is, it is f of g. In the place of x, we have given 3. Right? Now, in our combination of two functions, where it is f of gx is equal to this equation, it is a quadratic, it's a linear equation, excuse me. We are going to put this 3 in the place of x. Then we should have f of gx is equal to 6x plus 16. Right? Then f of g of this 3, we should get 6 times 3 is equal to x. This is x times 3 plus 16. then this f of g of this 3, it will be 18 plus 16. Now finally, we should get it is 18 plus 16, it is 34. F of g of this 3, it is 34. So this is how to find a functions or a linear equation of two functions when we have given those functions, right? Also, I have to remind you, you see, we have so rate D. That's why it was the initial network. So now let us continue by showing you another example. Another example is example number 2. You have to find we have h x is equal to 4 and excuse me, find f of g of 0. B, it is g of a function which is 6. If f of x is equal to 4x and g of x is equal to 3x squared. Right? Now let us do those two functions together. Are we together there, students? Yes, the one who is here, but thank you very much. Tao, hello. How are you doing? Yes. How are you? I'm so fine, please. You have so missed. You're welcome. Now we are just dealing with about functions. That is our main topic that we are going to deal with during this session. Thank you very much. Yeah, you're welcome. Now I gave you these two functions, and I need you please to do this subquestion A and B. Now this is 0. Others, try to react, please. Yes, Tiger Shirov, good. Thank you very much. Now, how are you? How is my right? Yes, I see you. Thank you very much. Good. Yeah, I listen. Now don't go without subscribing. Don't go without subscribing, please. So now let us continue by collecting these questions. So this is 3x squared, right? Now we have a given f of x, which is f of x is equal to 4x, and gx is equal to 3x squared. Now we have asked some question in H. It is f of g0. So in the place of x, we have given 0. Now, first of all, what you're going to find here on this combination of two functions, you have to find first f of gx, right? Then after we find the f of gx, we have to substitute this 0 in our function. Then it will be f of, how is the value of gx is equal to 3x squared. Now it is 3x squared. Then here, this 3x squared is equal to x. So back to our equation where we have x in our function, we have to put 4x. It is here now. We have f of gx, it will be, you see in our function, this one where x is, we have to put this 3x squared. Now it is 3x squared is equal to x only is equal to 4x, right? Excuse me. Now in our function f, we have 4x, we have to write 4. And where x is, we have to put 3x squared. It is 3x squared. Close the bracket. Then finally, f of gx, it will be 12x squared. Then we have asked to find the f of g0. Now, where x is in our combination of two functions, you have to put this 0. Right? Then it is f of g0, it will be 12 times 0 squared. Right? Finally, we should have f of g0, it will be, it is 12 times 0 is equal to 0. Then f of g0 is equal to this one. Now let us continue by some question. It was g of f of 6. So now we need to place combination of two functions where it is g f of x, which will be, you have to write this one, and the one which is nearest to x, it will be, how is f of x is equal to 4x. 4x. Now you see, it is g x. Yes? Where we have x, we have to put this 4x. Now finally, how is in g what we have? We have 3x squared. It means where we have x, we have to put this 4x. Now it is 3 times x is equal to 4x squared. Then we have to square this 4x. Then we still have 12. Sorry, it is 3 times 16x squared, close the bracket. Now finally, our question will be g f of 6. Yes. Sorry. G f of x, it will be 3 times 16 is equal to 80, 48x squared. Then you have asked to find g f of 6, which is, it means this 6 is equal to x. In those two, the combination of those two fractions, it is 48x squared, where x is, we have to put this 6, then we have 48 times 6 squared. Finally, we should have, it is 48 times 36. Yes? Now let's use this one. 48 times 36, it will be 6 times this is also 48, right? 8 and add this 40 here. 6 times 4 here. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Plus 4 is 28. It is 28. 3 times 8 is equal to 24. You write 4 here and you put 2 here. 3 times 4 is equal to 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Finally, yes? Finally, we should have, this is 8, 12, add here 1, 7, and 1. So now it will be 1, 7, 2, 8, right? So g f of 6 is equal to 1728. So that is the final of our equation. Thank you very much. The one who said it is in India simple, I don't know. How are you? The one who has 3 only his name. How are you doing, please? I see you are new on our platform. Don't go without subscribing. For those who are new on our platform, please don't move without subscribing. Are we together? So, also, this is a class where we share a content concerning to mathematics, right? I'm just introducing this for those who are new. Don't miss only our platform. Also, don't go without tab on like. Yes, class. I see. How are you? How are you? For those who are new on our platform, yes, I see you're just coming. You're welcome. Don't move without subscribing. For those who are new, and remember to tap on uh, on like. Also, let me take a chair, right? Hello. Hello, class. Hello, hello. The one, you're welcome. You're welcome. Take a show. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please, there was an issue of network today. That's why I come so late. You see, we try to connect it on our channel, and the issue was somehow difficulty. So now what I have to say to you, for those who are just late, yes, it was that the problem which caused us just to delay. But I'm so sorry for those issues. So now I'm going to end up this session of today so that I have to remind you that tomorrow we have a class also at 5 o'clock p.m. Don't miss. And another issue that I have to inform for those who are on our platform, also you have to remind other students that tomorrow it is a class. Yes? Now, for those who are new on our platform, don't move without subscribing. This is where we share a different contents. Also, I'm still just searching a light so that next time it will be better. I really know. Don't miss, please, on our platform. Yes? So let me say thank you for just watching what I have shared with you. That is most good, it is most helpful to me. This is our channel where we share a content concerning to mathematics. You have seen it. And also I invite another students, even though there are many students in my classroom, they come here in front of us and trying just to share with you a content, different contents concerning mathematics. So let me say also, if there is another issue that you should please comment on our platform, you have to write it in the comment box. Yeah? And don't move without subscribing for those who are new, and like the comment. Also, another thing that you have just to say, yeah, it is a good. Thank you very much. Yes? Dear students, hello, hello, hello. Hello. Dear students, hello. So now let's end up this session of today. Now they just let's meet tomorrow at that hour. That's precise. Thank you very much for watching this, and let's meet tomorrow at that hour, 5 o'clock p.m. Thank you very much. So I'm just going to say to you, see you tomorrow. Thank you very much, and have a good night.
So I like